Now you have every skill needed to sharpen every chisel. Some of them are going to be harder than others, and some of them are going to be easier. It just takes time to learn each gouge and learn how you like it sharpened. And that's a preference for every single different carver. Once you're finished with your commissioning process, you're now just going to upkeep your tools, which is really simple and it doesn't take much time. So you should be sharpening your tools every 15 to 20 minutes when working with wood. If it's hardwood, probably more often than that. After I've gone through a hard day of carving, the next time I carve, I take that tool that I carved with, so pretend I use this on walnut for a while, I take it on my whetstone and I hit it on the whetstone for maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute if it's been a really rough day, and then I'll go to my leather strop where I will finish it out, make it perfectly smooth, and then I'll test it out on a piece of cross grain. And remember, if you're testing it out cross grain, that there should be no tear out throughout the whole blade. You will actually not be using the diamond stone at all unless you've got nicks or dings or you've dropped your tool or chipped it somehow. This is, it's not very relevant. Some people do sharpen with sandpaper. While it is the cheap option, it is not really the best option. When I first started carving, I actually used sandpaper quite a bit, and my uncle was trained by a master carver in Germany way back in the day, and I told him about my processes and he was astonished and horrified that I used sandpaper. This is the way he taught me, and the reasoning why he didn't use sandpaper is that if you use sandpaper, the grit kind of comes off and it can get stuck in your tool and embed in your tool, which is not super common, but it can wear down your tool faster and it doesn't actually keep your tool as sharp for as long. So you'll have to be re-sharpening and upkeeping it a lot more than if you used the tools made for sharpening. So I don't really recommend sandpaper. It's not good for your tools and it doesn't keep your tools as sharp. Yes, it might be cheaper, but sometimes cheaper isn't better. Now that you've finished sharpening your shaft tools beginner set, make sure to check out their other sets as well. This one comes in their fishtail gouge set. This is really good for working with details to getting into smaller grooves. And if you really like carving, it's a great way to add more tools to your repertoire. I hope that answers a lot of your questions about sharpening. Good luck!